Welcome to English Vocabulary Channel. Do your sentences sound boring or repetitive? Do you keep using words like good, bad, nice, or beautiful again and again? In today's video, you'll learn powerful descriptive vocabulary that will make your writing more vivid, expressive, and interesting. Whether you are a student, writer, blogger, or English learner, these words will instantly improve your English writing skills. Section 1. What is descriptive vocabulary? Descriptive vocabulary means words that create clear pictures in the reader's mind. Instead of saying, the food was good, say, the food was delicious, creamy, and flavorful. See the difference? Strong descriptive words make writing come alive. Section 2. Describing people. Instead of nice, 1. Compassionate, meaning caring and kind. Example, she is compassionate toward animals. 2. Charismatic, meaning attractive personality. Example, the speaker was charismatic and confident. 3. Energetic. Example, he is energetic and always active. 4. Humble. Example, despite success, she remained humble. 5. Ambitious. Example, he is ambitious and works hard for his goals. Section 3. Describing places and nature. Instead of beautiful, 1. Breathtaking. Example, the mountain view was breathtaking. 2. Serene, meaning peaceful and calm. Example, the lake looked serene at sunrise. 3. Vibrant, meaning full of energy and color. Example, the market was vibrant and lively. 4. Majestic. Example, the waterfall looked majestic. 5. Picturesque, meaning like a painting. Example, it's a picturesque village. Section 4. Describing food. Instead of tasty. 1. Savory. Example, the soup had a rich savory flavor. 2. Crispy. Example, the fries were crispy and golden. 3. Juicy. Example, the burger was juicy and delicious. 4. Creamy. Example, the pasta sauce was creamy. 5. Flavorful. Example, the curry was spicy and flavorful. Section 5. Describing emotions. Instead of happy, 1. Thrilled. Example, she was thrilled to win the competition. 2. Delighted. Example, I'm delighted to meet you. Instead of sad. 3. Heartbroken. Example, he felt heartbroken after the loss. 4. Miserable. Example, the weather made everyone miserable. Instead of angry. 5. Furious. The customer was furious about the delay. Section 6. Writing transformation activity. Now let's improve boring sentences. Example 1. Boring sentence, the room was nice. Improved sentence, the room was cozy, elegant, and beautifully decorated. Example 2. Boring sentence, the movie was good. Improved sentence, the movie was thrilling, emotional, and unforgettable. Example 3. Boring sentence, the beach was beautiful. Improved sentence, the beach was breathtaking, peaceful, and picturesque. Notice how descriptive words create stronger images? Section 7. Fun Practice Challenge. Your turn. Replace these boring words with powerful descriptive vocabulary. Good, bad, big, happy, beautiful. Write your answers in the comments below. Section 8. Quick recap. Today we learned descriptive vocabulary for people, places, food, and emotions. Words like breathtaking, charismatic, juicy, thrilled, and many more. If you want to improve your writing and vocabulary, start using these words in your daily life. Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more English vocabulary lessons. See you in the next video.